Alright, as I've been exploring my new Hookah, this is the Hookah set. It's all complete. And then, of course, I got some accessories like the pump. I'm checking out the different things. So this is the flavors. This is a classic bundle flavor. Tobacco free, but more importantly, nicotine free. There's 5 different ones in here. Let's go ahead and open it up for the first time. It's all wrapped up. It's all herbs, honey, and natural flavor. So it looks like we got a couple of different boxes in this set. Pretty cool. And we got the expiration dates up at the top there, quite a ways into the future. There's the flavors. So we got mango, mint, watermelon, blueberry, and wild berries. So that's the flavor assortments we'll be checking out. Those go into this portion. The heating source goes on top. Put this cover on there, and then you put this up on top. Hope this helps.